Max Money family, Max Money tribe. What's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and we are back because today is a huge day. I got to start you off right. So usually the videos come, in the evenings, but I had to start off today right. I will not be back on until tomorrow morning to talk about these earnings, family, just because I have some work obligations. But I do want to let you know today is a huge day for PROGENITY, our short squeeze list that is always running on this channel. You are in the right spot. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Crush the thumbs up because, family, we flew up from the last video. The past videos, bangers, putting people in the plays, man. We talked about the roadblocks going off. We talked about some turning points. AQST has been going crazy. Let's get into it right now. So as you see, I'm up $100 after hours, putting me back over in the green, showing a little red on my chart because of margin. If you don't know margin, look it up. It just means I'm close to that threshold of where I have to sell or liquidate some stocks, but I'm looking to take profit on things today. So check it out. Short squeeze list is down here. We got 16 items on there: AMC, PROGENITY, AQST, any, BKKT. Let's check it out though. What am I holding? I got me some AMC calls. So let's start with AMC. I got 2 AMC calls. I am currently down $8. Probably will be a lot more if it opens down here. But I did buy them at the lower end of the 39 mark right here. I bought them right about here. So when I saw it hit that range, I know 40 in that range of 39 is strong support. And I'm looking for it to pull itself back up to $45 with a good earnings that it just posted. But AMC is so heavily shorted as well, and they don't play fair with AMC. That's why the apes are still holding, and salute to them. So hopefully that turns around here soon, and I'm going to ride it up, baby. So BBIG is the next one I want to talk about. So I also said in my last video, the one that you just saw, if you didn't, go check it out, that Venco Ventures was going to pull all the way down. It was up here. It was up here even higher, right here. I said it was going to pull all the way down to 42. 40 to 42. It actually gave us an even better sweet spot down here at 430. That's where I loaded up some more calls. So if you didn't see already, I got 19 contracts for an average price of total price of $400 just about. And the average price for those is $19.50 for me. So $19.50. I have them right here. Check it out. 19.58. And the current price is 21. So if BBIG continues to go up, then I should look to make some profit on that. So it's consolidating sideways right now. You see it getting tighter and tighter just off of this crappy chart. I'm just showing you that was a nice pop, strong support down there. It looks good. So I grabbed me a few of those. Now, AQST. All of you have been in the comments. Let me know you holding AQST. If you're holding any of these, let me know down in the comments. Now, y'all got on me. I told you. First things first. Let me put this out there. First things first. Always take profit when you want to take profit. I don't care what I say, what anybody. He said it was going to go to $10. I am not your financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. So if you believe in AQST like I do, I saw it give me a sell signal at 620. I sold. And then I seen it bounce off. I thought it was going down even lower. Let's check it out. I thought it was going down even lower to 577. It actually went to 590 and showed some strength, which is beautiful. Pull back up. But if you look here, it's testing this range again. Can it break through? It has to break through here, and I believe it will. So this call option doesn't expire until February 18, 2022, and only cost me $120. And it even gave you buying opportunities lower down here at 110. This is for the long haul, family. This one, you got plenty of time. And with that December 23rd date coming up, right, the FDA, we're looking for those approvals to go through and this thing to skyrocket. So if you believe that and it's being heavily shorted, that could be a big banger. That one call option could pay you out a lot. Now, I want to jump right into this one right here. PROGENITY. Today is the day. You see it's up 10 cents after hours, showing great strength so far. I have an average cost of $3.53, 2 cents away. Now I have 1,000 shares. So let me get right into it. Do I plan on carrying 1,000 shares into earnings? No. If I can get some profit, if I see a pop up to 375, 380, I'm taking some of these off of the table. I got to lock in some of those profits. That's what I will do because I believe in the company, but I don't know what they're actually working like. What's their risk? But I got some articles. I'm going to clear up some stuff why I still think it's going to be an excellent earnings report. I just want to lower my risk going into it, family. You got to understand, I got to look out for me at the end of the day. So PROGENITY, 351. Let's check it out. The volume, average is 71 million. Yesterday's volume was 20 million because we're so close to earnings. Who really is buying and selling? It's just holding tight. We're waiting to see what happens here. So it's climbing. They're expecting a 41 cent on the dollar or on the share loss. So 41 cents, and that would be great. So let me show you what's going on here. PROGENITY, right here, earnings, previews. PROGENITY is a biotech firm that currently makes the markets of a non-invasive pregnancy testing kit. It is working on developing several more proprietary products. Its market cap is less than 500 million. That may be one of the reasons the stock trades more than 61 million shares a day. This is one of the #1 short squeeze plays out there. You had to seen it. If you didn't see my previous videos, check them out. PROGENITY could be a banger for you. So check this out. Over the past 12 months, the stock is up about 1,400%, while in late January, shares are up 50% from November 2022. So January 21 from November 2020, it was up 50%. 4 analysts covered the stock when they posted this, which was yesterday. Covered the stock and are evenly split. 2 say hold, 2 say it's a strong buy at a price share of around 340, where it's at right now, 350. The upside potential to a median price, which is a strong resistance, is $4. That's a 17.6% increase at a high target of $12. That upside potential is 250%. So yes, there is a $12 target out there as well as $4 target. I like the $4 one. I like the $4.92 range as well. But with a good earnings beat, this thing could take off. Now, they do expect, PROGENITY is expected to post an adjusted loss per share of 45 cents, which is less than half a year ago. So a year ago, it was $1.01 per share. Now they're cutting that in half. That will be huge. For the full year, the loss per share is pegged at $2.36. But much better than last year's loss of $7 per share on sales of 40 million, down 46%. So guys, another thing with PROGENITY, what I want to say with PROGENITY, they just had a new CEO step in when? Yesterday, the day before earnings. So if you're the boss of a new company, say, hey, we're going to let you run this company A right here. You start the day before earnings. If you know the earnings are going to be bad, why would you start that day? You don't have to start that day. You already got the job. Say, hey, can I start the day after earnings? If you know the earnings are going to be bad, think about it. I'm just throwing this out there, just putting it in your brain. Why would you start the day before a bad earning? So that would be on your rap sheet. So that would look bad on you, even though it's not tied to you. It's just something, hey, you started on this day, you already got one bad beat on you. No. So think about that, family. Another thing, tribe. Check this out. The ex-CEO, it's out there. Look it up. The ex-CEO has not sold any of their shares. So they separated from the company, they left, and they haven't sold any of their shares. So if they were doing something crazy, if they believed that the stock was going to crash, all that stuff, they would have sold when they left on the run-up, the small run-up we just had. No, because they know some big things are coming. It was just time for them to step aside. And now PROGENITY continues to grow. So that's what I'm throwing out there. Now you do what you want. Lock in those profits at all costs, family. So PROGENITY is my play of the day. I'm going to ride it. I'm going to see it through and let's see what happens. I'm looking to take profit on anything today. And if I do go into earnings with PROGENITY, I'm willing to go about 500 shares into it. Maybe a little bit less than that, but not really more than 500 shares. 500 shares, I'm plenty fine with about $1,500 worth of money going into the earnings, guys. So let's see what happens. I'll see you later, family. Hopefully this earnings makes us rich. Get to the bag. Let me know what plays you are doing below. Let me know the price target you got on PROGENITY today. And if you see any new price targets on AQST, let me know. Vinco Ventures, I got it on the list. So let's hopefully it gives us that pop.